Welcome, interstellar travelers. Tonight's transmission carries us beyond the edge of Earth's protective atmosphere into a river of invisible messengers that have been traveling across the cosmos for millions, even billions of years. This is the story of cosmic rays. Imagine for a moment that space is not empty, but constantly alive with motion. Not just planets and stars, but high-energy particles racing through the universe at nearly the speed of light. Some are born in the violent deaths of stars. Others come from supernovae explosions so powerful they outshine entire galaxies for a brief moment, and a few may even come from places we still do not fully understand. These travelers are what we call cosmic rays. Despite the name, they are not actually rays of light. They are tiny particles, mostly protons, along with atomic nuclei and electrons, shot across space like microscopic bullets fired from cosmic cannons, and they are always arriving here. Right now, as you listen, thousands of cosmic rays are passing through your body every second. Most of them do absolutely nothing you would notice. They pass through Earth's atmosphere, collide with gas molecules high above us, and break apart into smaller particles in spectacular invisible chain reactions. By the time they reach the ground, they are weak, scattered, and harmless. But up there, in the upper atmosphere, it is a different story. When a high-energy cosmic ray strikes an atom in Earth's air, it triggers what scientists call a particle shower. One single incoming particle can create millions of secondary particles, spreading outward like a cascading explosion of invisible sparks. It is like a fireworks show, except it happens silently, invisibly, and constantly above our heads. But where do these cosmic rays come from? Some originate from our own sun during solar flares. These are relatively low-energy cosmic rays, and they are part of what we call solar cosmic radiation. But the most powerful ones, the ones that truly challenge our understanding, come from deep space. Supernova remnants, where stars collapse and explode, neutron stars spinning so fast they twist space itself. Black holes, where matter is crushed and accelerated by extreme gravity. And then there are the ultra-high-energy cosmic rays, which strike Earth so rarely and with such immense energy that scientists still debate their exact origins. To understand their power, imagine a single subatomic particle carrying the energy of a fast-pitched baseball, compressed into something trillions of times smaller than a grain of sand. That is the scale we are dealing with. But Earth is not defenseless. Our planet has an invisible shield called the magnetosphere, generated by its molten iron core. This magnetic field deflects many charged cosmic rays away, bending their paths like cosmic currents around a river rock. And above that, our atmosphere acts as a second layer of protection, absorbing and breaking apart most of what gets through. Without these two shields, life as we know it would be constantly bombarded by high-energy radiation. Some scientists even believe cosmic rays may have influenced evolution itself, possibly increasing mutation rates in DNA over long periods of time. In other words, these particles from space may have quietly shaped life on Earth. We also use them. Yes. Cosmic rays are not just something to protect against. They're tools of discovery. Researchers use cosmic ray detectors to study everything from underground caves to hidden pyramids. Since cosmic rays can penetrate deep into solid rocks, scientists can measure how they scatter and reveal what is inside structures without ever digging. This technique is called muon tomography, and it has been used to scan volcanoes and even explore ancient pyramids in Egypt. In a strange way, we are using the universe itself as an X-ray machine. But perhaps the most fascinating part of cosmic rays is what they still do not tell us. Because even after decades of study, there are still mysteries. Why do some cosmic rays carry so much more energy than our current models predict? What exact cosmic engines are producing them? And could some of them be connected to unknown processes in deep space that we have not yet discovered? Each answer we find leads to another question, like ripples expanding outward from a stone dropped into the cosmic ocean. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this: space is not silent. It is not empty. It is constantly speaking in particles, in energy, in invisible rain from distant stars, and Earth, right now, is gently being touched by messages from the universe itself. Messages that began long before humanity existed, and will continue long after. Until our paths cross again, stay curious, stay aware, and keep your eyes on the patterns hidden between myth, history, and the stars. Love, light, and cosmic blessings. Mystic Missy.